So when you work around with code blocks, what you can do is you can work around with speed and each step as well, and you can export them as well. So let's say, for example, if I were to click on create a new object, I'm going to just go around and put this in. So what I'm going to do is, let's say, for example, I'm going to move this, I'm going to rotate this, and that's it. So let's say I'm going to move this and maybe scale this around as well. I'm going to scale all of it by 2 to 2, just like this. And then let's say this is going to be rotated around. And over here, I'm going to move this by 10 units right here. So if I were to press the play button, it happens in a certain speed, as you can see right here. I'm also going to add in a repeat right here, just like this. And then what I can do is I can press the play button again. And then the number I enter right here, let's say, for example, 3 times, everything just rotates around. And everything happens in a certain speed right here. So add is here, so I better just keep the add up to the top. I'm just going to add repeat from the move. So now let's go around and experiment around with this again. So if I were to go around right here and then click outside, let's just go around and then let's say, for example, undo everything and start from the beginning. You can see that it rotates right here and then it continues that out. So all of these happen in a certain speed, and you can work around with the lower speed right here so that everything happens at a slow pace, or you can really speed up so that everything happens really, really fast, as you can see right here. So you can make it slow or fast. And then you can go around with each of the steps. So you can go around over here and click on next, next, next right here so that you can go around and then work around with each and every step as well. And you can also export this out in different format if you wish to. And that is how you can explore the code blocks area. You can also go around and then change the size of these right here. It's flexible, as you can see, and then you can pan around as well. So working with code blocks is very, very flexible. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.